Hello everyone, my name is Dan Pacheco, Director of Agent Development here at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, and today I am joined by the phenomenal Kimberly Zeidner of also Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Kimberly, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Now listen, for those of you that may not have heard of her somehow, she's all over social media. She's such an intelligent and positive person. I hear you interacting with your people on the phones and stuff. You're very, very intelligent and very fun to be around.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you for that. So tell people a little bit about yourself, kind of what got you in the business, what is it like to work with you, and take it away.
Sure. So I got into real estate about 3 years ago. My family and I lived in South Florida and decided we were going to move here. So my dad suggested that I get my real estate license so that I could sell their home and my home. So that's kind of what started. It was just supposed to be kind of a one and done kind of thing. But as I was preparing for it, I fell in love with the idea of this being a career, and so I decided to give it a shot. Previously, I was a professional ballroom dancer.
Really?
Yeah.
So now that's so crossover. I mean, like, it's basically the same industry, right?
Yeah, well, you're joking, but it kind of is, because it's a people business.
Right.
And so you learn how to interact with people and get them to understand these ideas and concepts, which when you're working with buyers and sellers, especially if they've never done this before, it's important to know how to communicate with them.
And I have to imagine, too, there's sometimes some hesitancy or reluctance, getting into ballroom dancing kind of thing. And so it's working with them, making them feel comfortable, right? And getting them to cha-cha or
loosen
waltz
up a little,
whatever.
Is this how we ballroom dance?
This is how I ballroom dance, just like this. Let's do it for a minute here.
The owners of the studio would be so proud right now.
Thank you for that. That felt so good.
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's really cool. And that showcases, and again, the way that you communicate with people. You're very comforting to be around. You're a pleasure to be around, and that definitely translates into your business. So, of course, times are crazy right now, right? As they always are. What's something that some people should know about real estate right now?
Well, right now it's definitely a seller's market. Everything is very competitive. And so when you're working with a realtor, whether it's on the sell side or the buy side, you want to make sure that you're working with a true professional, someone who does this full time.
And not a robot.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
Those iBuyers or those websites and all those things.
Listen to this guy. No, but it's important because especially local level, you want to make sure that the person understands what's going on. You want to make sure that person knows how to negotiate on your behalf. And so a lot of the times people know someone in the biz and they do this part-time, and you can't dedicate what is needed in this industry part-time. And so you want to make sure that you're doing your research. I mean, check the reviews online, go on their social media, and make sure this is someone who you feel comfortable with, because this is one of the biggest things that you'll do in your life, and you want to make sure that person has your best interests at heart. That's
perfectly said, Kimberly. So for anyone that has a question about real estate or curiosity, buy, sell, invest, or just a general question, how can they get in contact with you?
You can give me a call at 561-909-5860.
Wonderful. And you're all over social media too, so we'll put the socials at the end of this video. So if you're out there watching and you're tired of realtors or those websites that seem to have two left feet, give Kimberly a call. She'll guide you the rest of the way. She's a wonderful person to be in business with. So Kimberly, again, thank you so much for being here in the video. Thanks for being Preferred Real Estate Brokers, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.